Hey friends, welcome back to another video. Now y'all know I love a good budget find. So bougie on a budget, that's me. I have to look good, but I do not want to break the bank for it. Okay, I prefer spend my money on food, home decor, and travel, experience new things. Now this beauty, go ahead and copy one. Isn't she beautiful? And I love the handle. I love how simple the design is. I love the wood accent, and that's what caught my eye with this one when I was selecting the bag from the brand that I wanted. I love these shapes. There's something about the shape of these purses that got me hooked. I'm just obsessed with it. It's so gorgeous. So go ahead and click the link in my bio if you want to copy one of these. It's so affordable, guys. Go ahead and copy one. I promise you will not be disappointed. She is gorgeous. It also comes with this strap too. And look at the interior. The interior is yellow. It is so beautiful, and it has the logo inside. So guys, if you want to see more content like this, definitely click the link in my bio and subscribe if you haven't yet. I have more amazing cute finds. The prices are just unbelievable, so go ahead and subscribe and click the link in that bio and go ahead and copy one. They have different designs, so you don't have to get this specific one. They have a ton of options to choose from and colors too.